Hey there, everybody. Happy Friday. I'm organizing, and I thought every Friday we're just going to do a very fast, snappy, quick organizing hack. When I do Chippies or any kind of mixed media, anything, I do a prep session. I know that sounds kind of funny, but if you watch, like the Food Network or cooking shows, my current favorite cooking show is called Meals. Struggle Meals. That's hard to say. And it's on Taste Made, which is a new channel on my YouTube TV. So I don't know if it's on like different kind of TVs or not. But the way that the cook, his name is Frank, the way he preps things is he puts everything on a cutting board. He'll chop his onion, his carrot, his celery, and it's all on a cutting board. If you watch, let's say Gordon Ramsay or someone like that, they always have bowls. So they'll do prep bowls, right? So there's a bowl of onion, and there's a bowl of peppers, and there's a bowl of tomatoes. Let's get some tomatoes up here. So there's a bowl of tomatoes, and there's your actual dish that you're putting together, right? So I thought it would be really funny to take kind of that approach over the weekend as you are organizing your art projects. I know it sounds a little crazy, but it really does work, especially when I was working a day job. It was always difficult to get to the end of the day and not have made any art. And to me, that depressed me a lot. This is a great way to organize stuff on your desk to make a jump start in the morning and get some things done. So that's what we're doing. We're prepping a few, this is some napkin for collage. That's great for collage. This is some border stripping. This is some watercolor paper that Leanne sent along. I wanted to be sure that I had some chippy bits already torn and ready to go. The only other thing that I see are small elements. Now these are some small elements. These are hearts, so I'm just going to put those right there. That's another bowl. That's another prep bowl. And then I am going to use one of my favorite things in the whole wide world, thank you Trudy for sending this, is small talk. Anything that Tim Holtz does is just mesmerizing to me. He can take like a basic idea and just make it really, really, really work. So we've got our prep done. Now let's see how speedy quick we can run through some chippy bits. We also call these mixed media bits, and see how many we can do like in just a few minutes, okay? And this will be fun, as a challenge on the weekend as you are preparing for a work week or preparing for an art week. Again, if you have to go out of your house to work, it's a great idea just to kind of get going in the morning. So I'm going to see how much we can get done in like 5 minutes. Okay. I have read that I am reading about the vagus nerve, and I am determined to up the ante on my health by learning about the vagus nerve. I'll put a little information in the description box below. Okay, 1. Sometimes it's fun to just, now these are your prep bowls, okay? I like to, you guys know how crazy wild I am, so I'm not really so worried about straight edges and things like that. To me, things are just so much more interesting with funky edges, and you know, it really does make it look like a distressed item, like a, you know, orphaned, abandoned, anything like that is just, I'm a huge fan, huge fan. All right, we're gonna take our little hearts out of our little prep bowl here. All right, 2. You can vary where you're putting things because that's always interesting. This says be you bravely, 3. I love the way that Leanne does her stars. Now there's a star right there, so we'll do our best to not cover that up. Don't cover that up. You've already taken the backs off your napkins, which makes them really easy to go ahead and, you know, we always think we have to have Mod Podge to work with napkins, but I'm here to tell you, napkins work great with just some glue stick. They have a very, I'm going to drop this back into my prep bowl right here. All right. I'd love to have an image. Now see, I did not prep bowl any images, but that's okay. Because I think what I'm going to do is just use this wee little bit right here. It's just, that's just enough of a fourth layer here, a third layer here. There we go. I'm going to use the word different, divergent for, this has a bit of blue right here. That's really nice. Let's use the other edge of this. The idea is that you know, you don't have to get a whole lot of stuff out in the morning. I'm one of these people who cannot leave the house if stuff is out. I have to get everything cleaned up before I leave the house. I know that sounds ridiculous, but I can't help it. Everything's got to be put away. Uh-oh. Oh dear. I'm losing a glue stick. Should have prepped better. Heart here. This says never change. Alright. Oh, got a bigger piece here. We've already got some color here. So, yeah, that's kind of pretty. See how that's working? It's really nice. Let's go ahead and put down a little bit of napkin. There we go. And here. Oh man, we've made some sweet layered color right there. Very nice. I just want to make nice things. Okay, I've got just like 3 minutes left. More color here. We've got yellow here. So let's do this. Taking advantage of that really pretty color on the cereal box. Can you use the word lucky? Here. Again, you know, take advantage of the color that you got going here. And then, you know, if you are having to leave your house to work, you can go, wow, I got a lot of art done this morning before I even left the house. I did it over coffee. It was fast. Creativity. Okay, this is an example of something that's really cool because we have handwriting here. So what we're going to do is kind of be able to use that handwriting as a layer. And we're going to take a little bit of napkin and just pull over that. You know, let a little bit shine through here. Oh, that's so interesting. So interesting. I think handwriting, you know, in another life, I think it was some sort of handwriting expert. We all have other lives. I'm sure you guys knew that already. I'm going to take this little bit right here. Put it right here. Because I just felt like it. This little heart has a bit of writing on the other side. So just do that right there. And the word, because it's stuck to my fingers, is enough. All right. Ooh, we've got one, like just one more second to go. We could just use the word great, but I've kind of cut that off a wee bit. Should have put that up here. Hold. So, organizing over the weekend. You know, if you've never started, if you've never done a start box, I'll try to find that video and link it below. That's a very old video, but it extols the virtues of just what we did here, just organizing small bits or organizing bits to create a project. And, you know, if you want to think about it as a prep bowl, you know, concept, you know, what like Gordon Ramsay or Food Network or those people use. It's just a great way to kind of bring that concept to, you know, concept to art projects. Okay, there we go. Let's do our story because that's a lot of fun. Be open to creativity, no matter what time of day, no matter how fast you need to get out the door, no matter what. Set aside a little time so you have enough time to just make nice things. If we never change our morning routine, we never discover different ways to do things. Hold on tight to your dreams. They mean so much. Be you bravely. And experience the lucky. Look around today for all kinds of things that make you feel lucky, whether it's a sunrise, a sunset, a pretty cloud, the bark of an animal, the meow of a cat. Look for something that continuously reminds you of how lucky you are, how wonderful the world is, and what a great place you play in the world. Thanks for hanging out, y'all. I hope you like this Friday organizational tip. See you later. Bye.